Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning from the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you know, to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and first leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the vlog in truth. Viewers and subscribers, me say the few fans of the opposition, a ball! So them artists can't find a hit song. If you are confident that once a year Vybz Kartel have a new track for drop, you know it will be another superb musical production. More you kicking the like button, viewers and subscribers. And speaking of that, Vybz Kartel have 2 new tracks so more want to look out for. One titled No Regrets, which we live by, and another titled Mullines Road. And if you know, say this I got rock dancehall music. More you empty a clip of likes on the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, viewers and subscribers, let's get into the reasoning. Now, recently, dancehall veteran superstar and all-round dancehall general Bounty Killer himself shared a clip of an unreleased track, viewers and subscribers, which seems to be a track that was recorded for the Priceless Records and the Scare Them production, a Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer track. A track for the ladies. And what was interesting, viewers and subscribers, was the reaction from fans of dancehall. Reactions like this track would still shell down a dance if it was even released today. And that is big to say, seeing that the few fans, as I stated when the vlog started, of the opposition, a ball, them can't find a track with substance. You see, it's not about buy views. It's not about which track has the highest view count. So if you want our numbers, it's the track that's being streamed the most on the streaming platform, of which Vybz Kartel, we know this. And only associate dancehall artists think about it. If I know Vybz Kartel na streaming numbers right now, the youth, they must say skilly bang. Big up the whole East Side Gaza connection. While choosing subject matter is one aspect, creativity is something that can never be overlooked when we are talking about music. Talent is something that can never be overlooked when we are talking about music, viewers and subscribers. As a matter of fact, majority of these young dancehall artists, while them put out music, I was glad to see fresh faces in the dancehall music. Well, some artists, you know my point of view, some of them I could have do without. But for the better part, some of these artists have no love for the art form. No appreciation for the culture. No formal appreciation when I see them up for the culture. As a matter of fact, Bounty Killer was quoted as saying, the decision to start his own record label, Priceless Records. He said the idea forward just because he felt other deserving acts were also his friends, weren't getting due recognition from the industry. Does that sound familiar? Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. That's what we are talking about. When we say lead by example, Vybz Kartel took it a step further. Created his own record label, created his management label, and managed, record, and wrote tracks for these artists. Something that do for the alliance them too as well. The general was also quoted as saying, helping artists and seeing their growth is something you should not stop doing. That is why I started Priceless and Scare Them label. It was just to help my friends. It wasn't because I wanted to become a producer. But truth and in fact, viewers and subscribers, growth, something that these artists are lacking, and why hence their fans, viewers and subscribers are up in arms about lines from tracks for drop on shit dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. I mean, that talk about the numbers like them as go on. The teacher pointed out You have a time when them all strive freeze the teacher views, viewers and subscribers. But it not stop one, you it can't stop. Streams on other streaming platforms. You them can't stop. The love and appreciation where the fans have for the music, viewers and subscribers. Because when we think about it, there are artists who have put out good music, creative music, entertaining music, because there are difference. There is a difference between songs where you feel a vibe. That song will make you just like hear it. You know, it's the lyrical content, you just like the beat and the chorus. And there are songs where you can say, alright, this was superbly mixed and mastered, the production level high, the lyrical content is there. You know, say yes, it's a big production. You have songs just entertaining. Dancehall known for them type of track there. Such man in Jewel, you know the thing go. We're known for them type of track. Those tracks give the people more vibe. You know, they play night dance and everybody dance and all that energy, you know, before the sun pop out and the early morning settings. So for the better part, when an artist enters the dancehall industry and make claims and make statements like what some of these artists have made, but yet still forwarding at a certain level, but showed no growth while telling people say, oh, as soon as them get them break, them are gonna do this and them are gonna prove that. I will realize them are do living as somebody else's style, sample someone else's flow. I try use lyrical content from somebody else's song. You can't do it, so. No, you can be inspired. You can use musical references, but you can't forward out in someone else's style and want to lay claims and make assumptions, viewers and subscribers. Projections that you have failed to live up to. Remember, they have failed to live up to the expectations of 2016 when people that tell him say his career gonna end approximately at that time. And what did happen? Somebody say that was the date of his career DOA. Because we have never seen the people, our fans of dancehall music, react to his music as they did in 2015. He has never been able to recapture or, recreate that momentum when career did see. Same thing for the other artists who forward out. Intense forward out and, from the juggling within the drop. And then they have a hot song on it. You not find that momentum again because these artists have failed to live up to expectation. Growth is something. What these artists have failed to over is that it's not about this necessarily giving the people what you think as an artist or you feel as an artist. The people will be comfortable with hearing. The people want to see growth because remember, dancehall music is a music listened or have a worldwide fan base. So you can't feel like say people limited to just the lyrical content with the yard. And if you even gonna do that, you have to package it creatively so that fans overseas can react to the music as well. So what people see is that alright, them forward out, yard people that hear their music. Who they are yard, show them a support because them a new artists. Not because you rate them or nothing, just because them a put out new music as young youth, who want dancehall music to go forward. But then the growth, them lack growth, and then disrespect the people them who set it for them. And basically we just now use them viewers and subscribers. Since we stop go over them page go cuss. And we stop go over they go talk about things. So what go on? The fall off was there. We them announce them of album forward out. We see them forward up on stage show. We don't know. Them now control the breathing. Like a Massacre girl Big Mother did say. Them now control the breathing. It's almost like them couldn't sing them own song. Still no performance growth. It's like they never do my practice. Let me show you they my practice in front of the mirror like when they go to school same way. Then get complacent and feel like they make it while achieving nothing in the dancehall industry. So Bounty and Kartel I show them how it do. I show them how it do. Tracks were recorded much years ago. And the fans them hear just a small snippet. And I say, yo, this could have run dancehall today. While the fans of some other artists, I say, whoa, go on with the artists. So there's difference. The difference is clear, viewers and subscribers. Music with substance will live on. Worse if it's a track that you have never heard, but it's a good track. Anytime you hear it, I go shake the place. If them find one 2-pack track today, when nobody never hear, I guarantee you it top the iTunes charts before the evening done. And we know this for a fact. We have seen it happen. Talk to me in the comment section, I know how you feel. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. Vice, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified about fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, the like icon to the twin in a close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share on the vlog in truth. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and yes, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lucky yet. Be respectful and mindful. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, of course, for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.